This is Nathan Greiner, President and CTO of Design Mill Inc. We're here to present our innovative approach to dimensional analysis with the Shipboard Dimensional Analysis Tool, better known as SDAT. Design Mill Inc. is a strategic systems integrator delivering emerging technology solutions for the Department of Defense and other industry-leading organizations. As a defense contractor for nearly 2 decades, we build and bring to market cutting-edge interactive hardware and software with innovative design, development, and processes. Some of those processes are laser scanning, software development, virtual and augmented reality, as well as the Internet of Things. A 3-time recipient of the Intel Software Innovator of the Year Award sets Design Mill Inc. apart. We've brought this technology together to develop a commercialized cloud software platform, Precision Reality. It is an asset intelligence platform providing software, hardware, and services that lever emerging technologies to capture, manage, and visualize data in one place. Creating a digital twin with real-time data feeds to increase return on innovation and return on investment. This has pushed the development of a cloud-based solution, SDAT, further and faster. Determination of transportability. The process for determining transportability is costly, time-consuming, and rigid. Marine Corps ground vehicle acquisition PMOs and Navy amphibious and pre-positioning ship PMOs do not have a precise way of determining shipboard vehicle transportability constraints early enough in the design process. Current methods of assessing transportability involve vehicle prototyping, taking internal measurements of ships in various locations to include angles at the tops and bases of ramps to ensure clearance, and identifying obstacles to include pipes, bundles, lighting, and other types of fixtures. It currently requires the manufacture and transport of prototypes, impacts ship schedules, costs manpower, and provides limited flexibility in terms of iteration. The number and types of ships included in the analysis and the ability to account for real-time vehicle design modifications. This process is time-consuming, costly, and extremely rigid. To get into and onto a ship to take measurements, often it can cause confusion and delay. The Navy needs an automated capability for transportability analysis, and Design Mill has developed a 3-dimensional virtual means of conducting valid shipboard transportability assessments for vehicles and vehicle modifications as early as possible in the acquisition process, which will reduce cost and schedule associated with design of vehicles suitable for deployment aboard amphibious and pre-positioned ships. Initial transition targets are to deal with any land-based system that is to be put on an amphibious ship. Other transition opportunities are the military Sealift Command, Transcom, as well as industrial warehouses, and integrating into autonomous vehicles. SDAT is a software that performs dimensional analysis of new capabilities and determines fit along a selected loading path within Navy ships. This is performed with laser scans of ships, which create a point cloud that captures the actual geometry of the ship to provide highly accurate analysis based on reality. Combine that with 3D CAD models of vehicles through a method of voxelization, the software performs path navigation through the ship and reports any collision points when loading or unloading a vehicle onto a Navy ship, ultimately providing the transportability of a capability that integrates hardware, software, and a cloud solution, enabling virtual transportability assessments for vehicle designs. Additional capabilities for measurements, notes, and annotations, and screenshots, animations in a 3D environment are all being developed currently with SDAT. SDAT is currently in mid-production of development, with a beta prototype scheduled for Q4 2021 for early testing. We are targeting TRL 6. We have an updated slide deck showcasing a step-by-step overview of SDAT functionality, from selecting authoritative assets from the SDAT library. The SDAT library will be a single source for authoritative data. Once assets are selected, you can generate a path within the ship, do collision analysis at select keyframes, and perform comprehensive annotation tools for reporting, which can be shared outside of the SDAT software for design team collaboration. SDAT is an engineering decision support tool, and it's based on real-world precise data. Please reach out to me to get a full demonstration of the SDAT capability and how this works with one of your current design challenges. As of August 1st, 2021, we have made major progress in development, finalizing option period 1 with a focus on integrating developed modules into a unified working prototype of SDAT. If you have capabilities that will need to be pre-positioned on Navy ships, or any capability that needs to be analyzed for dimensional fit for an upcoming mission, connect with us immediately. We are currently looking for a program of record to utilize SDAT to help mitigate design or logistical risks. SDAT has many features, advantages, and benefits. With SDAT's cloud-based architecture, where ship and vehicle data and files are captured and stored, you can test the capability anywhere on your preferred device. As this tool is intended to support engineering and design decisions, we make sure to capture information that supports the authoritative nature of the data. In SDAT, the contour surface of the CAD is voxelized to capture the vehicle surface for the collision calculations to improve both performance of the calculations as well as the accuracy of the results to help you spend less time in analysis. SDAT integrates 3D ship and vehicle data with game engine and machine learning technology and uses novel methods of rendering surfaces and computer processing to enable path selection, collision computation, and analysis in realistic 3D visualization. Additional capabilities for measurements, notes, annotation, capturing screenshots, and animations gives you the tools to create informative reports. SDAT is the next generation engineering decision support tool you need for your program. Currently, there is nothing quite like SDAT available, and an automated capability does not exist in 3D format in 2021 in the Navy. Major cost savings in the design process, especially prior to Milestone C, will occur with SDAT. SDAT is being primed for real-time analysis capability on Navy ships once 3D laser scanners are installed to access logistical flow and inventory of assets loaded and unloaded onto ships. We are also anticipating artificial intelligence with model training via sensors on vehicles for autonomous loading and unloading of ships. Our ultimate goal is to give the SDAT user the ability to push a button and determine where a subject capability will fit in the fleet, determine where the choke points are, and easily disseminate that information and save the DoD major dollars by eliminating prototypes. We are currently looking for a complex logistical challenge to showcase SDAT's full capability. DesignMill is excited to transition the SDAT capability to the fleet. We want to be part of the future of automated transportability. DesignMill is looking for a primary transition target to enable the scan of Navy ships and ingestion of CAD models of vehicle prototypes into SDAT, analysis of new designs before they are built. Primary transition targets, again, in and around vehicle systems. PEO's land systems is of interest. Also, we're anticipating the need to analyze new designs of land-based vehicles in the Navy fleet with SDAT. Research of next-generation medium amphibious ship designs is also of great interest. Give us a call. SDAT's capabilities combined with DesignMill's experience with precision reality will support multiple commercial use cases in shiploading, industrial warehousing, and industries of logistics, planning, operations, and public safety. Commercial target qualifiers will include anywhere 3D scans, 3D models need to be used for analysis. Also, where space planning and utilization is a critical process. We have expanded targets which will include additional hardware development, software enhancements for artificial intelligence, improved AI navigation, and feedback from actual loading sequences, which will deliver additional capabilities and revenue streams. For design mill, we are currently integrating a persistent laser scanning capability that can be installed into a location, laying the groundwork for automating SDAT laser scanning capture, allowing for accurate analysis of a ship, not only as it's being designed and built, but also in real time as it is being loaded. As we transition, we have built a world-class software that combines engineering-level precision, cloud processing, and realistic visualization to provide an unprecedented capability for shipboard dimensional analysis. If you are a prime contractor in a logistics-related program or a program office that would like to analyze their capabilities throughout a mission, then let's chat and discuss how SDAT can reduce your cost, improve your capability development time, and simplify your processes. Contact Nathan Greiner to discuss your current logistical bottlenecks and capabilities that you need to have analyzed with SDAT. You can email me at nathan_greiner@designmillinc.com or by phone 563-587-8778. Thank you for your interest in SDAT, and we look forward to helping you with your program.